to go over this little bridge here. And we're going to try and catch this one. We're going to haul ass here. No problem. I've been, so there's a lot of them that will try to sell you tickets. You don't need to buy the ticket until you get onto the boat itself. So we're making great time. We're at about 15 minutes. And this is stop number 1. What we're going to do is we're going to take this to stop number 13, which is Khoa Sahn Rd. And that's going to cost us 15 baht to get down there. It's kind of rush hour right now, as you can see. Cool. Good job. We made it. I want this guy's job. Holy moly.